has a very huge potential for getting new markets and new brands, especially from the Philippines. We do have close connections, culture, we share the same values, and in terms of taste, it's very different, so it's very new. We do have popular brands here. We want to bring in Jollibee, Potato Corner. We want to introduce the Filipino flavor to the Indonesian market. I know that, Indonesians love very spicy food, so we want to cater to that taste profile, and then we also want to introduce more business models. But the Philippine Embassy, through the Philippine Trade and Investment Center in Jakarta, has been actively promoting Filipino brands and to facilitate more trade and investment between the Philippines and Indonesia. So we are very excited to participate and support the Philippine Franchise Association and multiple Filipino brands. And at the same time, we also want to invite Indonesian brands to come to the Philippines and participate in the upcoming Franchise Expo Asia next year. Philippines and Indonesia relations are very close. We do trade a lot, and we do have a lot of investment flows. There's still a lot of unrealized potential, especially in terms of energy, textiles, garments, manufacturing, also even in services. Our role in the Philippine Trade and Investment Center in Jakarta is to work closely with Chemlu, Chemendag, Chemencraft, to facilitate collaboration between Filipino and Indonesian brands and companies. So I'm pleased to note that we do have Filipino brands here participating in the Indonesian market. So we do have Piatos, we do have Oishi. So these are actually Filipino brands, and I'm happy to note that these are Filipino investments in Indonesia. We also have San Miguel Beer. We also have Emperador Brandy, and of course in personal care products, we're very pleased that Koji-san is very popular here in Indonesia. I also want to encourage you or invite you to try Filipino foods. They are available in major supermarkets, and I hope that you can also come visit the Philippines, have some vacation there, try our beaches, try Filipino hospitality, and perhaps I'd also like to invite you to come maybe next year during our ASEAN Chairship.